So I'm going to show how to fold one of these wreaths. They are reversible, but obviously I'm doing it with 12 by 12 paper. It is made up of 8 pieces that look like this. So you just do the same folds to make 8 of these and then weave them together. If it's paper like this, which doesn't really matter which point is facing up, don't worry about which way you fold it. But if you want this panel, which will be visible, it's this part. So you just have that be up there when you do your first fold. Okay, so for this one, I'm gonna have just a little bit of the spikes coming down. Open it up and fold right here, being really careful with this point. The paper likes to rip right there. And you want to make sure that it's lined up on that center crease as good as you can. Then we're folding this rectangle to meet up with this corner. Then we fold in this corner. Flip this whole rectangle and fold in this corner on the line that's already there. And then this is another fold where you have to be careful of the point up here because it likes to rip. Then we open that flap up and we're folding along this center line. And then as we fold this back down, we make this little flap. And then 2 of these slide together like this. Until you have all 8 of them. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to weave in the last 2 pieces of your wreath. So remembering this slides right in at this angle. And then we want to switch these so that this is in the back and this one's on top. So remember, we're going to slide it in. Underneath. And then this one, just trying to open that pocket as much as possible to fit it in there without ripping any of these corners too tightly. This is one side, and this is the other side. And the smaller one kind of fits in there too. So yeah, this is one with the matching colors on opposite sides, and this is one where all of them are different. And if you make this with wrapping paper size paper, you just have to pick whichever side you want to be the front and then reinforce it with cardboard because it's a lot more flimsy if you don't use cardstock, which is okay if it's small, but the wrapping paper, really huge, like 5-foot wreaths, need some cardboard across the back to help them not bend away from the wall when you hang them up.